Hi, welcome our last part of axis parameters and commands. The fourth part is single axis motion command, including real operations in ZDevelop. Let's begin. There are 8 commands, one by one. vmove means continuous motion. It can specify direction and axis number. Edit like this. And when vmove is executed, it is valid all the time. Except cancel or rapid stop used to clear buffers. It can be seen these two vmoves are for axis 0, and the behind one will replace the former one. Delay 1 second. Cancel motion, vmove ends. Forward and reverse are for vmove, but they represent different directions. Both use speed. Please note if it needs to switch the direction, cancel must be used. See this one? Forward soft limit is 200, so axis 0 moves 200 forward continuously. When it meets the limit, stops. Reverse soft limit is 300. Axis 0 moves 300 reversely. When meets the limit, stops. Data. Used for single axis homing. That is, one is only for one axis. Several axes, please call several times. There are many modes. Please refer to this form. For mode 0 to mode 9, when the limit is met, axis will stop. Except mode plus 10 means it will not stop but find reversely. Mode plus 100 means MPOS can be cleared automatically. For others, it needs clearing manually. And driver homing also can be used. At this time, origin and position limits are connected on drivers. The usage is this one. And this mode value, please refer to driver manual. There shows one example. Origin inputs of axis 0 and axis 1 are mapped into in 6 and in 7. Corresponding forward limit is in 2 and in 3. Reverse limit is in 4 and in 5. Specific mode usage and examples related to homing. We had talked in video before. You could review it. Motion stop command. This kind of command, we also talked in former videos. Cancel and rapid stop. They both support for modes. The difference is cancel is for stopping one single axis or axis group. Rapid stop is for stopping all axes. And for cancel, in one interpolation motion. Even if only one axis is set to stop, all others will stop. This form shows each mode meaning and function. Only mode to should be noted. The deceleration of mode to depends on the bigger value between fast deceleration and deceleration. And absolute position should be called after calling the command until the axis stops. Also, we could add the axis number to specify the cancel operation. If we need to make the motor stop rapidly, edit it like these two. Now, take cancel as the example. Let's see for modes. Cancel 0 cancels current motion. Then only this one buffer motion will be executed. Cancel 1 cancels buffered motion. When move 1000 executed, stop. It will not do other motions. Mode 3 and mode 4. We made one delay here for watching clearly. Cancel 2. After 1 second, these two are canceled. And it stops at the fast deceleration. Because fast deceleration is bigger than deceleration. Cancel 3. When move 1000 executes 1 second. Then stop rapidly. Move, single axis linear motion or multi-axis linear interpolation. And the distance is relative. If we need absolute distance, please use move ABS. In interpolation, only main axis speed is valid. Here shows how to calculate distance and speed. Distance is the composed distance of each axis distance. Speed is the main axis of speed. Each axis speed is obtained through this. The example, axis 0 and axis 1 do 1 interpolation. Axis 0 moves 150. Axis 1 moves 200. Axis 0 is the master axis, and these are parameters of them respectively. Please see this. VP speed 0 means interpolation composed speed. Also, there are position and speed of each axis. Under XY mode, the interpolation is one line. Except linear interpolation, there are circular interpolation, and two methods are valid. Both are 3 points. First one, arc is made by starting point, endpoint, and circle center. Starting point is the current axis coordinate. Others, please fill in here. Also, it is one relative motion. For absolute, please add ABS suffix. Second one, arc is made by starting point, middle point, and end point. Relative motion still. Please note this command can't make one full circle. Use former one or use this one twice. Let's see examples separately. For move circ, in this one, 0, 0 is the starting point. End point is 200, 0. Circle center is 100, 0. And in clockwise direction. Then this one, the starting point is the same. And end point is also 0, 0. Center is 100, 0. In anti-clockwise. Then a full circle is made. For move circ 2, both starting points are 0, 0. First one, middle point is 100, 100. End point is 200, 0. Then only can be clockwise. A semicircle is made. Second one, change the middle point. Then the direction became anti-clockwise. Another one semicircle. Therefore, two of these commands can obtain one full circle. Now, let's open our ZDevelop to run one example. Here, paste the code from the article. Connect to simulator or controller. Connected. Then, open the oscilloscope. Configure it. Select needed channel, depth, space. More details, please refer to Quick Start 9. Here, we need to capture demand positions of axis 0 and axis 1. Okay, start it. Download the program. It is sampling. Switch it as XY mode. It can be seen 1/2 circle. Let's run another. Start again. Download again. It can be seen a full circle is made in anti-clockwise direction now. Okay, simple operations are shown. Actually, they are easy. For now, all parts of simple parameters are over. Thank you for your watching. See you next Quick Start. Have a nice day.